Hello guys, and welcome to another Bimmer Fixer video. And in this video I'll be showing you how to apply iron fallout remover properly, and also giving this detailed online a review too. So one of the big misconceptions of iron fallout remover is that you can just throw it onto the wheel and it will eat into the iron particles, and then you have a nice clean wheel. When actually, although it does look pretty when it all goes red or purple, it doesn't actually give it a chance to actually work properly. So it's the equivalent of trying to polish your car when it was still dirty. So best thing to do is to clean the wheel properly first with a regular wheel cleaner, then apply the iron fallout remover. Given it won't look as pretty, but it'll actually give it more chance to do a better job, because it won't be just focusing on the surface contaminant. It will actually eat into the stuff that's below that once you've cleaned off the loose particles. So what we'll do, we'll give the wheel a quick pre-rinse, then a good wash, and then we'll apply the iron fallout remover from Detailed Online. Right, okay, so once we've given the wheel a bit of a pre-clean, then we're ready for the Detailed Online iron fallout remover. Okay, because now we've got rid of the surface contaminants, the actual iron remover can actually get to work. Okay, so now that's applied, we're going to give that a couple of minutes to bleed out. Okay, once it starts to bleed out, and you've given it a couple of minutes just to sink in, if you prime a detailing brush with a bit more fallout remover, you can give it a bit of extra agitation. Now we've left it for a couple of minutes, it's pretty much done all it can do now after we've given it a bit of an agitation. So now we'll give it a rinse off and see what we've got. Okay, there we go. So as you can see, massive improvement. So yeah, overall it's a thumbs up from me. From Detailed Online iron fallout remover. Nice and easy to use, didn't smell too bad either. It's not great, but usually they're lung bleeding, but that wasn't too bad at all. So yeah, thumbs up for me. So I hope that video helped you make a decision on some fallout remover. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, please subscribe, and I shall see you soon. Thanks guys, bye bye.